Nutrition and healthy eating for teens, tips for balanced diets, healthy snacks, and understanding nutritional labels. Hey everyone, welcome back to Kids Healthy Tips. Today we're going to talk about something that affects us all: nutrition and healthy eating. We'll cover tips for balanced diets, suggest some healthy snacks, and help you understand nutritional labels. Let's dive in. 1. Importance of a balanced diet. A balanced diet is essential for providing your body with the nutrients it needs to function properly. It helps with energy levels, concentration, physical performance, and overall health. The following are key components. Carbohydrates, the body's main source of energy, include whole grains like oats, brown rice, and whole wheat bread. Proteins essential for growth and repair, include lean meats, beans, nuts, and seeds. Fats necessary for hormone production and brain health, include healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. Vitamins and minerals vital for various bodily functions, include a variety of fruits and vegetables. Water important for hydration and overall bodily functions. 2. Tips for a balanced diet. Eat a variety of foods, incorporate different food groups to ensure you're getting a range of nutrients. Portion control, be mindful of portion sizes to avoid overeating. Regular meals and snacks, aim for 3 balanced meals and 2 healthy snacks each day. Limit processed foods, try to minimize the intake of processed and junk foods, which are often high in sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats. Hydration, drink plenty of water throughout the day. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses. 3. Healthy snack ideas. Fruit and nut mix, combine your favorite nuts with dried fruit for a tasty, energy-boosting snack. Veggie sticks with hummus, cut up carrots, celery, and bell peppers to dip in hummus. Greek yogurt with berries, a great source of protein and antioxidants. Smoothies, blend your favorite fruits with some spinach and a bit of yogurt or milk. Whole grain toast with avocado top with a sprinkle of salt and pepper for a quick, nutritious snack. 4. Understanding nutritional labels. Reading labels. Nutritional labels can be confusing, but they provide essential information about what you're eating. Serving size, check the serving size first. It's often smaller than you think. Calories, important for managing energy intake. Remember, not all calories are created equal. Macronutrients, look at the amounts of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Sugar content, watch out for high sugar content, especially added sugars. Ingredients list, the shorter and simpler the list, the better. Avoid foods with a lot of additives and preservatives. 5. Practical application. Label comparison. Let's compare 2 similar products, one processed and one healthier option. Notice the differences in the labels. Shopping tips. When shopping, stick to the perimeter of the store where fresh foods are typically found. Plan your meals and snacks to avoid impulse buys. Remember, a balanced diet, healthy snacks, and understanding nutritional labels are key to maintaining good health. Making small changes in your eating habits can lead to big improvements in your health over time. You've got this. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more health and nutrition tips. Leave a comment below with your favorite healthy snack or any questions you have.